to the Hoh Rainforest. It's the only rainforest in the contiguous United States. I'm currently on the Edmonds-Kingston ferry. I highly recommend taking the ferry if you're in Seattle or north of Seattle. As you can see, the scenery is amazing. I'm currently on the Hall of Mosses Trail. As you can see, there are amazing mosses and ferns all over this trail. I'm excited to take you along this trail with me and see the scenery. I hope you enjoyed the scenery in the Hoh Rainforest. Also, the views I showed you on the Hall of Mosses Trail. If you like this video, feel free to like and subscribe. Thank you.